Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the class. So let's start the class, children. After a long break, we are back again. So are you excited? I am excited. Okay. So let's start, children. So before starting with our new chapter, we will just do a small warm-up activity. You do along with me. Follow my instructions. And let's start, children. Raise both your hands up. How many hands do we have? 2. How many hands? 2, right? 1, 2. So 2 hands we have. Now put down any hand, any one hand. Okay? Now how many hands remain? How many hands are raised, children? 1, right? So try to get the point, children. First there were 2 hands. Then I have put down 1 hand. Or you can say I have removed from 2. So how many remains? How many are raised? 1, right? Removing 1 hand or putting down 1 hand, children, out of total, that is out of 2. What calculation did I do here? Can you guess? I did subtraction. So what chapter we are going to start today is subtraction. So subtraction, the learning outcome will be, children, students will be able to apply subtraction of 1-digit number in their daily life. So 1-digit number subtraction, you know from 0 to 9 are all 1-digit numbers, right? So we can do subtraction of 1-digit number in our daily life also. Now let's take few examples. Suppose I have these 3 flowers. Okay, how many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Fine. Total, how many flowers are here? 3. Now, 1 if I give it to you. Now, how many remains with me? 2, right? 1, 2. So, what I did, children, they were total 3. Then I removed 1. So, when I remove 1, when we remove anything from the total, what does it call? It is called subtraction. And the answer which we get is the difference. How do we pronounce? Difference. Okay? Difference. Now children, how many flowers remain with me? 2 flowers. Isn't it interesting? So removing, leftover, these words are used in subtraction. Clear? Let's take few more examples. I have this. You must have seen this, right? So, children, how many are this? There are 3, right? Now, if I remove 1 from 3, how many are left here? The word which I am using is left. How many are left here? 2, right? So, children, what did I do? I did subtraction. First, I wrote 3. Then I removed 1 from the 3. Then I counted how many are left. There are 2. How many are here? 2. Clear? This is your subtraction. This you can also apply in your daily life, children. Suppose when we have chocolates. Okay, I have chocolates. We can use this also as an example. Now, I have this London Dairy chocolates. Do you like this? Okay, so let's count. Let's count total how many chocolates are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total how many London Dairy chocolates do I have? I have 7 chocolates. Okay, now I am willing to have 2 chocolates. So I am going to have 2 chocolates, children. Suppose if I ate 2 chocolates, how many chocolates remain with me now? How many chocolates? So what we are going to do? We are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many chocolates remains with me? 5 chocolates. This is how we can use subtraction in our daily life. Okay, you can apply in your life. If someone asks you that, can you give me 2 chocolates out of your 5 chocolates? So what will you do? You will give 2 chocolates, isn't it? You are giving away out of 2, out of 5. So what remains with you? 3 chocolates, right? So what calculation we are doing here, children, is subtraction. Clear? What calculation we are doing here? Subtraction. Now you see, children, you can see your page number 2. There is an example. You can see here, children, there are 5 animals in a farm. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many animals are here in the farm, children? 5 animals. 3 of them went away. We now count the number of animals left in the farm. How many animals are left in the farm, children? 2. So 2 is what? 2 is the difference. Is it clear? What calculation we can do it here? We can do subtraction. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now we can also see this. You can do it yourself. You can see here some vegetables. You can see the first vegetables are your mushroom. Okay. How many mushrooms are here total, children? Let's count. Count along with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mushrooms are here, children? 4. And 1 mushroom is cancelled. So how many mushroom remains? Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3. So what will be the answer? 3. Is it clear? What will be the answer, children? 3. And this answer is called what? Difference. Clear? Next. Again, the next vegetable, children. Total how many vegetables are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Here are 5 vegetables, right? So these vegetables, out of this 2 are cancelled. So how many remains? What we will do? We will count again. The remaining one. 1, 2, 3. So you write the answer 3 in this box. Right? It applies to the other 2 also, children. This is how you have to do. Clear? It's very easy. Next. Now, children, there are some keywords like remaining, leftover, subtract, difference, minus. These words are used in subtraction. Okay, so as I gave you the example of chocolates, let's do it again with that example, children. So there are total how many chocolates? Do you remember? 7 chocolates, isn't it? So we will write 7. Okay, now if I eat 2 chocolates, that means out of 7, how many chocolates I am removing, children? 2 chocolates, isn't it? So I'll write that 2 chocolates are removed. To do subtraction, children, one sign is used, that is minus. This sign is called what? Minus. Okay. Then we give equal sign. The answer is written here. 7 minus 2. Now you count how many chocolate remains, children? Out of 7, if I remove 2, how many chocolates remain? You count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many chocolates remains, children? 5. Now, what we did here is subtraction. And the answer is called what? The answer is called difference. Answer is called what? Difference. Okay, we did subtraction and the answer is difference. We use the word leftover. How many are left? If I say there were total for 7 chocolates, if I eat 2, how many are left over? So when the word leftover is used, that means you are going to do subtraction. And to do subtraction, children, we use the sign minus. What do we call this? Minus. Okay. Remaining. How many remains? How many chocolate remains with me? So these words are used in subtraction. Is it clear? You can note down this word, children, in your copy. So there is one example. Example 1. I will just tell you, children, how to do. You do it as a homework. Take out page number 3. Example 1. Now it is written here. Count and write the correct number of people or objects. One is done for you. The first one, count how many children are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this box it is written 5. What this sign is called? Minus. How many kids we are going to subtract, children? 1, 2, 3. So how many kids are subtracted? 3. So how many remains here, children? 2. 1, 2. So the answer we write here, and this answer is called what? Difference. Okay. Next, B. Now here we are going to count the leaves. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many leaves are here, children? 9 leaves. So minus how many leaves? Let's count it here. So you are going to write 9 in this box. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 5. How many leaves are here? Remain word I used, isn't it? It means we are doing subtraction. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the answer? 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. You can do it as homework, children. Same applies to here. You have to count total number of apples and count and write here. Minus how many apples we are going to subtract? 4 apples. You will write here 4. And how many remains, children? You have to count and write here 4. Okay. So you can do it as homework. So before concluding the class, children, I was just I'll ask you few questions related to today's topic. So children, here are 2 questions related to subtraction which we have studied today, and try to solve this and try to take out the answer. The first question is, Ram has 6 balloons. How many balloons does Ram have? 6 balloons. Farhan took 3 balloons from him. He has 6 balloons, children. How many balloons? You can count it in your finger. 6. Who? Here Ram has 6 balloons and Farhan took 3 balloons. He took 3 balloons. So how many balloons left with Ram? So how many balloons left with him? That is Ram. So how many fingers are left, children? 3. So what will be the difference? What will be the answer? 3. That is 6 minus 3 is 3. Isn't it? Next question. Sam has 9 pencils. She gives 2 pencils to Meera. How many pencils are left with him? Sam has how many pencils, children? He has 9 pencils, right? And he gave 2 pencils to Meera. So you remove 2 pencils from 9 pencils, children. How many pencils are left with him? Now you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many pencils are left with Sam? 7 pencils. So what we are doing here? We are doing subtraction. This is how you can use subtraction in your daily life. Okay. So 9 minus 2 is 7. And 7 is what, children? 7 is the difference. Is it clear? Suppose you can take your own example, children. Sometimes you have two pencils and your friend need one pencil, right? So what do? Out of two pencil you give one to your friend. So how many remains with you? One pencil, right? So this is how you can use the subtractions, one digit subtraction in your daily life. Have you understood, children? So I conclude the class here, and if you find any difficulty you can ask me. Thank you so much.